Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice again. I have a very good advice for you. If you have grown tomato in your garden and they're green and you don't have time to make them red, maybe the weather is changing or some animals are eating, this is a very easy way for you to make your tomatoes ripen. Here we go. What I've done is I have taken the green tomatoes and the green like this, green tomatoes, and put them in brown paper bag. If you don't have brown paper bag, you can use newspaper. And I left it in a dark place, not in the light, dark place, and look what has happened to my tomatoes. I'm gonna open it up. Look at this. They have started becoming red. So easy peasy. So if your tomatoes are not being attacked by animals or something, want to make them red? Here you go. I put them in brown bag and they become red. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel and liking it, and please do send me a comments. All the best.